respected dignitaries on the stage, off the stage, dear parents, my dear student friends, I wish you all a great morning. I was truly inspired by our friend Damodaran's speech. It's really outstanding. Let me give a big round of applause. See, it just came out from his heart, right? Whatever he said, many of the things he has said, you should take it back for life. He has given you wonderful, wonderful advice. See, my aim is always to bring our alumni back to campus so that they can give what we call as jnana in Hindi, right, to our current students. He has done a wonderful job. I thank you very much. One of the points which I was about to mention, which he clearly mentioned, I want every VITian to be known for their ethics. VITian means an ethical person. Nobody can touch you. You don't cut corners in ethics. I was about to mention that, and he is a living proof, standing example, living proof. How many government officials can come to a stage and say, I am not corrupt, I will not be corrupt? How many government officials can say that? He has the guts to say that. That is a VITian. That is a VITian. We are really proud of what you are doing, Mr. Damodaran. Wish you all the best. Thank you. And I also want to appreciate our chief guest today. He is known for his landmark judgments and ethics and all the great virtues. We are very proud and happy to have you here, sir. You know, it's really a remarkable thing. As students, most of you come from very privileged families. Even I was born to a member of parliament and a big bus operator in the district. But my father didn't have that opportunity. He was born to a poor farmer's family who had to walk 7 kilometers one way to reach a school. He is sitting in front of you, our chancellor. You should take him as a role model. See, these days, many of us think hard work, those are for old days. These days, let's do quick way to success. There is no shortcut for success. Please remember that there is no shortcut for success. We have to work hard. We have to work smart. You cannot be like a donkey just working hard. You have to work hard. This is a competitive world. You have to work smart also. But there is no compromise on working hard. So kindly have that in mind. We have a lot of role models sitting in front of us. We have to learn from each and every one of them on how to succeed in life. Coming to VIT, you might have seen all the news for the past 2-3 days. VIT is ranked number 9 in the country for engineering and technology. It's really an achievement by all of us. And some of the facts which is unknown is actually in business and management, we are ranked number 21 in India. Let's give a big round of applause for all the business graduates also. And I'm sure what we have achieved in engineering and technology and now in business, we are going to achieve in law, we are going to achieve in economics, we are going to achieve in psychology, we are going to achieve in science. Every subject, we are going to become the topper. Thanks to your hard work, we are going to make it happen. And there's another thing which I'm very proud of in our Chennai campus. It's the student life. It's the student welfare organization. All the faculty, staff and students, let's give a big round of applause. Amazing, amazing work you are doing. There are so many clubs and chapters doing so many activities every day. You know, it's really amazing. You know, this is VIT, right? What you learn outside the classroom is much more than what you learn inside the classroom. With your friends, with your clubs, with your chapters, when you discuss, when you hang out in the halls, these are all great learnings. Don't miss out on that. Don't be in a shell. Have more friends, not just on your social media. The real world also have more friends. Talk to them. Every day we got to learn, and there's a lot going on in your academics also. We are going to improve our project-based learning. Make sure what you learn is what you're going to apply in real life, not just for books. You should learn for solving real world problems. There are plenty of things If you work hard, you can do this. World is open for you. And always remember, when you graduate, you should support your family, your parents. Your parents, many of them are here. Let's give a big round of applause to your parents. But for them, you are not here. So never ever forget them. Help them, support them, your hometown and our motherland, our country. With, as Damodaran sir pointed out, without you there is no India. So you are the future of India, and stay connected with VIT. You should always remember and stay connected with VIT. You remember the saying, right? Once a VITian, always a VITian. Thank you.